What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a good night. Today we're going to do a really quick break of 2018 high-tech baseball Bowman high-tech. Not many cards in here, 10 total, and I believe 4 are autographs. So we're just hoping for a couple of good autos and parallels. Probably won't get anything too crazy, but if we can get a couple of solid prospects, that will be a-okay in my book. The price of this has really come down. I wish I'd paid that price originally. Starting off with Ryan Vlad, Jeter Downs, Jorge Guzman, Jaron Kendall. First autograph is Corbin Burns for the Brewers. Brent Rooker for the Reds. Austin Beck rookie. A Christian Posh, that's not bad. This is a purple to, what is that? I'm trying to read the, looks like 191. A Colton Welker autograph. And Keston Eura purple autograph to 150. So definitely nothing too crazy, not super great, not terrible either, not bad. I think the well, yeah, it's not a bad box. That's it. Told you guys it'd be quick. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon.